Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and quick flower with one round. For this you will need any kind of yarn, a crochet hook, scissors and a tiny needle to hold yarn tails. Start with chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the first chain. Chain 3 to make a picot. Around the double crochet just made, work a single crochet. Double crochet in the first chain. Chain 3. Single crochet around the double crochet. This is my second double crochet with picot. Double crochet in the first chain. Chain 3. Single crochet around the double crochet just works. Continue sew around. Work all double crochets in the first chain. One picot. This is a very easy crochet flower for beginners. Work as many double crochets as you want to form a beautiful flower. This is my last double crochet with the last picot. To join, slip stitch in the third chain of beginning. Cut the yarn. And use a needle to hide the tail. From the wrong side, the first tail and the last one. And this is my flower. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.